Well, I was just going around the neighbourhood looking for stuff that people put out for scrap for free, and you know, sometimes you get some alright bikes and things like that, computers, that kind of thing. We did get some amplifiers and other stuff, but here we have the bicycle-related item. This is a BSA gold whim, or at least I think it is. Gold something. Gold where? I don't know. Golden something. Anyway, it's from the 1970s. I believe it would have originally had drop bars on it. It's got these regular handlebars on it. It's got an interesting seat cover. That's not shmooey at all. It's got the old, I'm guessing that's an Everready light. Everready chloride, yeah, old Everready logo right there. Battery light. Got dynamo lights on it. It's got the old fashioned, so instead of quick release, you had this to change your wheels. So to change your tyre, you just spin these wing nuts, and yeah, that would undo the wheel. Also, if someone's got big ears, you can call them wing nut. Hey, you're probably going to use that one now, aren't you? Anyway, it has Altus rear derailleur on it, non-indexed of course. This is the early 1970s. But it does have, rather interestingly, see that? Campag Nolo, Italy. Friction shifter on it. It's a little bit gummed up, but considering it's 50 years old, it's more than likely the original. Brakes seem to work, all the cables are free. A bit creaky, but it moves. Bit of play in the bottom bracket. Pedals still work, surprisingly. Those pedals seem to last forever. In fact, a lot of older bikes used to last a long time compared to some of the modern stuff. The bearings did seem to be made a bit better back then. There's no play in the hubs. Quite a bit of wear to that shifter as well. Rear wheel's good as well. Still straight anyway. It's a bit of surface rust on it, but I'm pretty sure it is only surface. New set of tyres, and this thing would still be good. It's crazy. So yeah, BSA, or Birmingham Small Arms, or some people say best scrap available. But yeah, it's a pretty cool retro vintage road bike, / hybrid bike, / town bike, whatever you want to call it. From sometime in the 1970s. This was destined for the scrapyard, so I'll see if I can clean it up and get it working, or maybe sell it as is to someone that wants to completely do a complete restore on it. There are definitely people out there that are interested in this stuff. Let me know if you want it. It can be yours for a cheap price. Yeah, or swap. If you've got any parts for an RC Thunder Tiger Thin XP BX2, let me know. So yeah, that concludes this video.